Digital literacy. My topic is about the truth of working mother. First of all, I will introduce the target audience. Meaning three kinds of people can be my target audience. First, female are willing to continue working after maternity leave. Second, husband whose wife still need to work after maternity leave. Finally, the workers and employers work with working mother. Next one, I will introduce the learning objectives. The reason why I choose this kind of topic is that I have been a working mother for 3 years already. I clearly understand how difficult to balance life and work as a working mother. However, it is so stressful for working mother when facing the complaints from family members and the discrimination from co-workers and employers. The purpose is to review the real life of working mother and the current situation they are facing, and also let family members and co-workers can understand and respect them. The next one, I will introduce the learning design. First of all, I will use the Google survey. Before learning the presentation, one Google survey will be offered to the target audience to get a basic assessment of understanding of working mother. In this way, the target audience will get the basic understanding of what I'm going to talk about. The next one, I will use the praise, which is very suitable for me to present my ideas. And then next one, finally, I will use the video as the tool. I think I will to choose to search some videos, some relevant videos from YouTube. I think the video can be very useful tool for me to demonstrate what I'm talking about and more easier for you for target audience to understand my ideas. So that's all for my topic. Thank you.